So in this last polynomial operation example, we're actually not given any of the functions, which, again, once you figure out how to do this, it makes your job way easier because you don't actually have to compute the functions. So we're given all of these just input and output values, right? We're told that if you input 3 into f of x, you get 2. Put in 9, you get 4. Into g of x, if you input 4, you get 3, and 5, you get out 9, right? And we're being asked, what's f of g of 5? How do we figure that out? Well, again, do that kind of like logical substitution, right? So g of 5 here is, again, taking the place of x in f of x. What is g of 5 equal to? Fortunately, and this will always be the case, you'll always be given what this value is. It's equal to 9. So if we know that this thing right here is equal to 9, right? We can rewrite this as just f of 9. Right? That makes sense. We just took this, we know what it's numerically equal to, and we replace it. Okay, so now we're just looking for f of 9. We are given that. We're given that f of 9 is actually equal to 4. And so the answer to this problem would just be 4. So again, it's just a logical chain of substitution, right? You see what is equal to what, put it in, and make sure you just don't get thrown off by the somewhat confusing notation. Just take it step by step. Well, let me throw some practice problems at you now. Go through those. Make sure you're feeling comfortable with the notation. If you need to rewatch a video, please do. But again, after the few practice problems, I have explanations for each. I hope you'll feel much more comfortable with interacting with this kind of notation and just the polynomial operations, how to add, subtract them, and so on.